The room was silent, until a splash broke it, and in that instant, the universe flinched. It was England, 1847. No lightning struck. No explosion echoed. Just a quiet laboratory, a falling weight, and a man watching water warm by a fraction of a degree. But what James Joule was measuring would shatter one of humanity's oldest beliefs, that heat was a mysterious fluid, something alive, something separate from motion. At the time, heat was thought to be caloric, an invisible substance that flowed like a ghost through matter. It felt right. It felt ancient. And almost everyone believed it. Almost everyone. Joule was different. A brewer's son with no university post, no grand reputation. He worked alone, obsessively, in a room that smelled of oil, iron, and damp wood. Night after night, he built machines that looked simple but hid a radical question. What if heat wasn't a thing, but an action? Picture it. Heavy weights drop slowly, pulling strings wrapped around paddles submerged in water. As the paddles churn, resistance fights back. Motion strains. Energy is spent, and the water, ever so slightly, warms. Not by chance. Not by magic. Every time the weights fell the same distance, the water warmed by the same tiny amount. Joule noticed something terrifyingly precise. The harder the motion worked, the more heat appeared. No matter how he changed the setup, water, mercury, metal, the result held. Motion became heat. Effort became warmth. Work did not vanish. It transformed. Here's the rehook that unsettled his peers. If motion and heat were interchangeable, then energy itself was conserved. Not created. Not destroyed. That idea rewrote reality. Heat was no longer a ghostly fluid. It was motion at a microscopic level. Atoms and molecules vibrating, colliding, dancing unseen. A cannon firing, a steam engine roaring, a heart beating, all obeyed the same invisible accounting system. But the scientific world didn't cheer. They ignored him. For years. Joule presented his data calmly, while older men dismissed it politely. Yet the numbers never lied. Eventually, others repeated his experiments. They saw the same warming water, the same relentless math, and slowly the truth burned through resistance. This single observation ignited the first law of thermodynamics, the rule that governs engines, stars, and life itself. It explained why machines fail, why heat death looms, and why the universe keeps perfect books. In that quiet room, with falling weights and trembling thermometers, Joule proved something profound. Nothing is ever wasted. Every action leaves a trace. Every motion has a cost. And the universe remembers it all. If this story sparked something in you, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment with what moment in science changed how you see the world, and help this channel keep exploring the hidden stories that shaped reality.